Hey everyone, it's Marissa and I am here with a Aliexpress haul video. I've accumulated some stuff from Aliexpress in the last month. So I've just been waiting to do a video because I wanted to make sure that I have everything in so I don't have to do another video. So this is a bunch of embellishments. I have some dies that I got in, but I wanted to do some projects with that before I show them to you. So I will have the link down below of where I purchased these on Aliexpress, just in case you guys want to pick it up. So the first thing I got, it's all wrinkled. I'm super mad about that. But look at this paper. It's kind of like a plastic PVC paper. It's 8.5 by 11. But look at how cool that is. And this is pink. They had a white one in a different color. So it's pretty thin. But I thought this was really cool. So I just got one because I wanted to see what it's about. But like I said, I'm super bummed that it is crinkled right here. But I guess that's what happens when they ship for free. So I picked up that, and then I also picked up these bows, and I won't take it out the bag because I'm sure you guys seen these before. So I got these bows, and then I was able to get some of this, what is this? These heart tissue confetti, I guess that's what they're called. But I got them in yellow, and they're pretty good size. I got them in yellow, got them in this pink, got them in this blue, and in the gold. So this is fun to put in packaging or, you know, put in some projects. So I picked up these, and like I said, I will put down the link below of where I picked those up. And then also I picked up these really cute Hello Kitty pens. Look at how cute they are. So this is what the body of the pens look like. And there's like a Hello Kitty face there, if you could see. So that's what it looks like, and it's like a ombre color. And it's black ink, and then the tops of the caps are these really cute, like see-through, jelly-like, I guess, Hello Kitty. Isn't that so cute? So I picked 3 of those up. And then this is super cute. I got a pack of these. They're mixed, they're Deers, and they also sell them in different colors, but in one pack. But I got the mixed color pack, and I'm gonna go ahead and take them out so I can show you what they look like. The different colors. They're super cute. Look at how cute these are. Aren't those adorable? These are like, I guess, flat cabochons. So that's what that is. Pick that up. And then I picked up these leaves. And I will take these out as well and show you. So I got them in the pink. And they're like a bunch of leaves here. So I got them in the pink. Got them in the silver. I got them in the blue. And the gold. So this is perfect for the Halloween, not the Halloween, the Christmas paper that I picked up from Michael's and from scrapbook.com. Since they're like non-traditional Christmas colors, this would be perfect for that. And I got this whole bag for like dirt cheap. So got that. Let me just move that over. And then I picked up this bag of bows. They're 3 different orders from the same company, but they're like different bows. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. So I picked up this pack of bows. And they're all different, so I'm just going to go ahead and pull out some to show you. So that is what this one looks like. And let me just show you all the different colors that it comes in. So they kind of have like a see-through look. And that's the different colors that are in this pile here. So I'm going to put that away. And I will link that down below. And then I got this pack here, which I am going to open for you. And these have glitter. They're like glitter bows. And they're like iridescent as well. So those are what that looks like. And then the last pack of bows are a little bit bigger. And they look like that. And they're kind of like the first one that I showed you. And the second one like mixed together. If that makes sense. I'm just picking out all the different colors so I can show you, because these come in a pack. I think that's all the colors. So these are flat cabochons as well, and these have glitter in them too. And that's what that looks like. And I love this blue right here and the yellow. And I think this is kind of like a corally red color. So that's what that looks like. And I'm just gonna show you. Here, let me just. So this is from the third pack that I just showed you. This is from the second pack. And then the first pack that I showed, and I'm just showing you the different colors, or the different types that I picked up. And that is that one. So those are the 3 different types of bows that I got. So there's that. Put that away. These are so, and they had a lot more, but this is the only ones that I picked up, and these are so pretty, and they're perfect for gifting. So I got that, and then the last thing I wanted to show you is this. They had it in different sizes, but I picked this one up because I just wanted to check it out before I buy another one, because I wanted to buy a bigger size. But what it is, and I'm sure you can make your own, you can DIY your own, it's just this right here, like the plastic case that you can get from Michael's. And then it came with a die here, but what it is, it's a die holder. So you can put all of your Aliexpress dies in here, because you know how they're tiny. So this is just an example of that, but there's different size holders in here. So you have this one, and I'm gonna show you so there's 2 in here, and this is that size for this. And then when you flip it, there's this bigger one here for like the longer dies. That's about 5.5 inches wide. Wait, no. So it's 5.5 inches that way, and then 2.5 that way. So that's, and then, like I said, they had other ones that are, see, and you just put it in here. And they had different sizes for this. So I think I love this idea. Look at how small and compact this is. And you can bring it to like crops or whatnot, wherever, or in the house, because this is pretty cool. I can just get all my little Aliexpress dies and bring it in the house if I want to craft in the living room or something. So I do want to get they're kind of pricey for Aliexpress, but the bigger ones are probably, I think they were like almost 10 bucks or more, but I do want to get the next sizes that they do have. So you guys, that is my embellishment haul from Aliexpress. Just give me time. It's going to take me a while to find all the links for all this stuff, but I definitely will link everything that you saw in this video in the description box below. So I hope everybody has a fantastic weekend, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.